The power sound. Wato baba. Wato. Akataka. Here we go again. Tony Kabaka Adu Oweri. Tony Kabaka, he is back. Tony Kabaka is back again. JP Oweri. Tony Kabaka. Share this video. Go and invite him. Tell Tony Kabaka now why you where here. Now you do watch a video now. Say that to Tony Kabaka. Tony. Larry Tony. Tony Larry. He wabi go. I saw one way na. What have he told you? Sometimes I will think Tony Kabaka Adu Anthony no Adu aka Tony Kabaka. What will do afo? We are like the television. Tony, how would Nigeria be better? Let me quickly just say this. Tony Kabaka was the one that introduced courtesan killing in Edo State. Tony Kabaka have killed more than anybody in the history of Edo land. Tony Kabaka and his brothers. And his brother, the one they said they call Kapopwe. With Tony Kabaka, they have killed more than anybody. Number one. Tell me how Nigeria will be better. Nigeria is going to rust in hell if they refuse to vote on my election. They will rust in hell. That is the truth. Atiku Abubakar Fulani, Black Fulani, Muhammad Umumu Buhari, Lasky Fulani, both of them are Fulani herdsmen. And Nigerian youth are fighting to bring Boko Haram Fulani herdsmen into power. Here you are, ITV, Igbenedion Television. They give Tony Kabaka 1 hour to come and discuss how the killing will stop. Now Tony Kabaka is blaming it on the police. Echo. Tony Kabaka, you know your gang. Don't give him red-head. Don't do it. You'll be out. This is not time for red-head. Go and vote. Tony Kabaka. Nobody, no Benin people fit out to Ramo. Then they fear. That woman, when that is insulting his her own mother and her father. I want her information. Her husband, her entire children information. I want it as soon as possible. Everyone should go on YouTube. Check that woman, that woman, that unrepentant human trafficker. I heard that she have a lot of girls. We are looking for her information. I will make sure I will put that woman in a big problem. A big problem she cannot get out of. That is number one. She cannot talk to Tony Kabaka. Where are the those state social media blogger? Who can call the name of Tony Kabaka? Nobody. The only man that we do is the tiger and the lion combined. Nobody. Tony Kabaka. John Coker, have you sent me the video? Where is John Coker? Is he sleeping already? Hey, you walk already. Why Tony? Tony. So Tony said the police should empower the private sector so that they will be catching to courtesy. And Amigo is not fighting courtesy. I don't get time. That is not my business. I'm anti-corruption. I'm fighting political leaders, political cabal who are corrupt. How is courtesy? How courtesy can be a problem now? Is that the problem of Nigeria now? The problem is that Godwin Obaseki is the one that violated the law of the Oba. He is the one that take Tony Kabaka and his gang to airport to go and wile Matthew Orohide. The cause Oba Benile, Governor Godwin Obaseki was the one that disobeyed the Oba. Then from there the killing started again. Why? Is Tony and his brother, are they not involved in this killing? Is Tony not the courtesy? Eh? Here you are, Tony is rushing to the TV. He's throwing every courtesy member under the bus. Now, all of a sudden, Tony is not telling how they will kill all the court boys, how they will capture them, and Tony is among them. The only person that will be safe will be Tony gang, terrorist gang, popularly known as vampire militant gang. Tony Kabaka, when did PDP share money to all the courtesy leaders in Edo State? When? It's not even up to 2 months. It's not even up to 2 months. APC have shared money. Is Governor Godwin Obaseki not the courtesy? Godwin Obaseki Tony ni gbunugbu no ateva war. No regbu no gbo. Tony, is Governor Godwin Obaseki not a courtesy? A governor of a state? Is Adam Ali Oshomole, APC national chairman? APC national chairman, I repeat, underline. APC national chairman, is he not a courtesy? If Captain Ohosa Okubo not a cultist, it's already poor people. You people are killing. The truth has to be spoken. Is Captain Ohosa publicly with Obaseki display their courtesy sign, their gang sign? Nobody dare them. Here you are, Tony Kabaka. You have the audacity to go to RTV to go and be talking about how who is doing the killing. Is it not your boys? Tony Kabaka, boys, take your brother Kapwepo and your gang to Awosomba to Gomba to go and swear. If you people have not committed murder, killings, Tony, you go swear. Who killed Big Joe? Tony, did you not know how Big Joe died? Tony Kabaka. I was not going to talk about Tony Kabaka today until my member, they sent me the video. They said, look at Tony Kabaka. When I see Tony Kabaka, I see him. Tony Kabaka is back again. Tony is back again. So the drum that PFM put you inside, you said that drum is too small. You want to come out, Abi? Tony Kabaka. Oh, sorry. I will expose you. Now you are blaming police. When you said they are on social media fighting police in Ogugbo, you working. I say one boy, Tony. Tony Kabaka, he was a rock boy. Who are amigo boy? Tony Kabaka. So when I was fighting Commissioner Gwandu Tony Kabaka, is it not when you come back and say you are insulting my governor, you are insulting the commissioner of police? I don't know boy, Tony. Tony. Is it all you, Tony? Here you are crying for 5,000 euro that you use for lawyer. Did you not take out his boat that 5,000 euro is your pen of good boy? Are you the owner of the money? I told him to take for war. How many people are you going to give to police? So now you want to set up another panel. Your brother is watching you. Adamali Oshomole is watching you, your father. Immediately you say it now, we call IG. Say Tony, let Tony be the head. Let Tony be the head of a police civilian. Then Tony don't come again. Percy talk to you, you say, may they go carry me the killer narcotics. You say that one, you say you don't want head for court. The time when you were the head of your court group, how many people you kill, Tony? Eh? How many people? How many innocent lives have followed you and your gang hand, Tony Kabaka? This useless RTV. I know the RTV, themselves, they are courtesan. RTV themselves, why would they even invite Tony Kabaka? Tony Kabaka. Tony Kabaka. Is Tony not involved? Why is it that Tony is alive? Tell me any of Tony family who have lost their life in this battle. Zero. Who are the ones that Tony is responsible for all this killing? Ever since now he's saying because CDA was banned. Who banned CDA now? Who if you pay your ban Tony? Eh? A CDA why have you seen you war? I don't know Panolos with Tunabe. Eh? What we go cool? Eh? So Tony now is criticizing the CDA that our upper palace banned. And he said because he's not collecting tickets. That is why there are things. Why didn't you talk about the children you asked Obaseki to bring back from Italy? Why? Tony. Why didn't you talk about you supporting Buhari that is using Fulani? How many people Fulani kill in Edo State? Tony. Unubachiwe. Tony Kabaka Adu. Tony is back again. Hey, whoa. Where a gaman where America where they were. Look at her. Eh? Go to America. You say you be Ghana. You say you know now. You know heaven. Why you don't come America? Come make that Oshakara. May fire meet you, idiot. May you go jail. Canada become a safe haven for terrorists. Your wife, he go. Osagena ro. Only Ohan, Yari, since a member went to where Babala wo. Say, we are yo Hawaii weferry. We don't want yo Hawaii weferry. Igewe. Any of your member who make a nuda giladiano Sajon Onuda giladiana. Anyone I want to book a member with pen, we uwe, Hawaii, or worry. Wo Hawaii, Iwe. Or how we are, or you need to make an eye where a ball. No hatching in a while, man. I want to be what's in an animal was in our table made them. Everywhere the middle was in. That be said, yeah, it told me, or 1 meal problem. So very told you winning, or 1 meal. Brothers and sisters, share this video. There is something that is going on. Me, I am not interested in it. I'm not here to fight court. I'm not here to fight Babalawo. I'm not here to fight churches. I'm not here to fight anybody. I'm not here to fight HIV people. I'm not here to fight. What I'm here to fight is to fight corruption, political cabal, political criminal, political terrorist, political gangster, and all the bad leaders who have decimated and destroyed Nigeria. That is what I'm concerned about. But that will not stop me from involving myself into those who are in private sector that are encouraging corruption and oppression against innocent poor citizens, which happens to be the king of the poor. That is it. Plain black fact. It baffles me to see Nigeria is going down. Why would a man who have committed atrocity, a terrorist who has killed more than 200, take in more than 200 lives, will be called on the state TV to come and tell them the solution how to stop the killing? Why his boys are the one doing the killing? Is that not shocking to everyone? Maybe it's only mega comrade. That is shocking. Why would a president who has failed woefully for almost 3 to 4 years now, during his time, Boko Haram Fulani herdsmen unleashed on the southeast, south side, southwest, central Nigeria, middle belt, unleashed on there, continue to massacre churches. They burn churches down. They declare war against Christians. Today, Nigeria lazy youth, Nigeria evil youths are jubilating, are campaigning for him. That was not bad enough. This Fulani herdsman, father, President Muhammadu Buhari, PDP, who helped exploded corruption in Nigeria under Goodluck Jonathan. When I had to nominate another Fulani Boko Haram herdsman, father, former vice president of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar, who destroyed the custom setup. This is a man that robbed all the hardworking men and women of Nigerian citizens abroad in diaspora. He used his power when he was the head of custom. He exploded corruption in custom. He will seize your container. You will borrow money in Europe. You borrow money in America. You send car home. Atiku Abubakar will seize it. Custom will building mansions. Atiku Abubakar made his money in the back of the innocent poor citizen. And today, Atiku Abubakar is a wanted man in the United States. A wanted man by the FBI. Atiku Abubakar, Nigeria are jubilated to vote a man who cannot even come into America, who cannot visit America. Did I not tell you how dumb Nigeria is? How foolish some Nigeria, some so-called academia, pamphlet educators, pamphlet education, pamphlet degree. Do you know the meaning of pamphlet? Buy my pamphlet, I give you a score. You get what they call it, first class. Pamphlet. Here you are. Some of them are out already criticizing a superstar, the great of the greatest, the next president of Federal Republic of Nigeria, no other than Comrade Omoyele Sowore. They are criticizing him because he did not allow them to hijack his party. Now they are criticizing him. Oh, he made people come from America to be the secretary. People come from America to be the treasurer. Oh, you're buwa. Now go kill now. Una want to try your amount and steal all the money. Now lie you. Now lie. Una want to do secretary so that you can turn the party to your own. Make devil baptize una. All una plan don't fail. God of Omoyele have destroyed you people. Anyone that will stand against Omoyele, we rust, we die. Die by fire. If your standing is genuinely, fine. But if you are doing it for your own self-interest, you will die by fire, including me. If what I'm saying is true, that I'm really fighting for the people, I will win him. I will win Omoyele. But if not, it's for my own self-interest, I will not go nowhere. That is the fact. Now, propaganda, APC, PDP, both Fulani terrorist party. They are both Fulani terrorist party. Listen, was it not under Saraki? Fulani were killing people. Where is Saraki? Is he not in the PDP? So they are the Fulani government. Fulani government. I need somebody to make music with that. Fulani, Boko Haram Fulani government, PDP, APC. Now they do the killy. Make music and send it to me, ASMP. All my innocent secret member around the whole world. Send it. Only savior of Nigeria is Comrade Omoyele Sowore. No other person. No other person. Can you imagine that? I am going to expose this bastard called Tony Kabaka. Idiot. How can Tony Kabaka will go on national TV to condemn his own gang people? He even said, he talking between, you can watch. On Monday, I'm going to analyze everything. I don't have much time today. On Monday, it will be live. I will analyze everything. But that 1 hour video, I will analyze it. Even there, he was trying to blame it on police. You people are the one that recruit police to become cultists. We know that. You recruit police. If they don't join you, you go and cry to your governor. 8 years of Ali Oshomule plus 2 years of Governor Godwin Obaseki. Is that not 10 years? Is that not 10 years? Is that not how you destroy those states? Who was the head? Is it not you? Are you not the same guy that go to government house and be shooting gun without nobody else? Did you not just went and stole ballot paper in Ward 1 already APC primary, Tony Kabaka, and if I pull out, you go back one your own. Can you imagine? Here you are, Tony Kabaka is coming out. He said, those children who are joining court is not a good thing, but some of them joining because to protect themselves, they have nobody to protect them against this master, leader of vampire terrorist group. At the end of the day, you brainwash them, they have no money, they are victims. I call them victims. They are innocent children. They are victims. Tony Kabaka, the greatest terrorist of all time. Is your governor not a cultist? Obaseki, is he not a cultist? Obaseki is a cultist and a drug addict. A junkie. Why didn't you mention Katosa no Tony? Can you imagine? That is the preamble of what is about to happen today. Brothers and sisters, good evening everyone all over the world. Those that are already sleeping, I'm sorry. When you wake up in the morning, you watch this video, I need you to share it. You can see the life that is going on today in Benin. Although people are home, they are the one disrespecting our traditional ruler. They are the number one people that are disrespecting our traditional rulers. You know what I'm saying? Although people are home, Tony Kabaka, they were the one who went to go and attack Senator Matthew Orohide. That is how they started this courtesy thing. When they did that, courteous people that already hand over, that already said, Omonoba, our father have laid curse on it too. They all were now waiting for the reaction. After they wait, there was no reaction. And those people just cover up. They just, because of a governor. Now governor break the law. That is where they spring up. You know, you will akarai. Why you way? Every time therefore. I said it. I said it. Share this video. Invite Tony Kabaka. Adu. Invite Governor Godwin Obaseki. Invite APC National Chairman Adam Ali Oshomule. And invite Captain Ohosa, the damage of all, Dr. Damage of Benin Kingdom. Hey, Jimmy, why we go call? Hey, you. Listen, this man. I was watching, I said, who is this? I am going to show people. You will see, this is what I'm about to do. Courtesan killing in Edo State. Tony Kabaka Adu is a courtesan. And he is back again. If Nigeria, if Fulani herdsmen, President Muhammad Buhari, and Fulani former vice president Atiku Abubakar, who helped destroy Nigeria, are the same people Nigerian youth are voting in to fix Nigeria, then forget about Nigeria as a country. Forget about a country called Nigeria. Forget about it. There will be no country called Nigeria. Just forget about it. If Atiku Abubakar and Muhammad Buhari are the only two people as big as Nigeria, 180 million. Waiting, the rest 179, 998 million. Are you people stupid? Are you people foolish? What the heck is wrong with you? The rest, Nigerian. What is your goddamn problem? Where did you study? Eh? What are your destiny? So it's only two Fulani. Nigeria become Nigerian Fulani. Only two Fulani are the only people that can lead Nigeria. Abi? Somebody answer me. Only two people, Fulani Esme. They are the father of Fulani Esme. And both of them are 80s, going 80 years old. These are the people that can Mugabe, Nigerian Robert Mugabe. One of them have served in the military as head of state. He come back again and serve and kill you with Agbada. Then the other one have robbed people in custom. Then he come back and kill you with Agbada as the vice president of Federal Republic of Nigeria. Then after they failed to run for the third time, don't you think the system of Obasanjo, the crocodile father, was trying to introduce when he said the president of Nigeria have to be serving 10 times? Don't you know that Atiku have it in his head? If you vote Atiku Abubakar in for president, Atiku is going to die as a president. He will be there for the next 12 years. Don't even think of it. You will do nothing. Atiku Abubakar will tell you, did Obasanjo not try to do it 3 times? Saraki have no choice but to comply. The Senate will just pass the bill. Nigerian president, because they will just bribe people. They will tell you, say, after 12 years, we'll just give you. And how are you? You will just join them. Those people, they don't have nothing. Now they cannot come out. Now so now so all of the betrayed as many people they do me now. You see what I'm saying? To become vice president of AEC, don't be from mouth. You know what I mean? I know the God bless you down there. I claim it. I know they do what I know they free do. I am going for governor of Edo State. So let somebody else go handle on. I will support Omoyele Sowore 100%, 1000%. That is the truth. So these two Fulani, these two Fulani herdsmen, Atiku Abubakar, Bogo herdsmen father, President Muhammadu Buhari, Boko Haram Fulani herdsmen father, just like Kataosa, the damager, and the father of Edo people. If Edo man commit atrocity, Kataosa will be the father of Edo, like Kataosa is the father of Tony Kabaka, the greatest killer of all time. So Kataosa is older than me. He cannot run away. He cannot run away. Do a warrior boy. Our traditional rulers are exempt. They are not a part of the. There's a reason why they call exempt. Police are exempt in law. They can jump red line. They can do everything. There's a reason. There are still bad ones. It doesn't mean because they are exempt, there's no bad one. So we don't care. Our traditional rulers are exempt of everything. That is my philosophy. And that is what I was taught. And that is what I believe. You know what I'm saying? So that being said, I know that Tony Kabaka, Adu, John Coker, did you send me this video? Tell me if you do. I need to play this video for everybody to see what is happening. I need to play it. Tony Kabaka, Adu. I want to play it. So, if Nigeria, if Fulani herdsmen president Muhammadu Buhari and Fulani former vice president Atiku Abubakar, who helped destroy Nigeria, are the same people Nigerian youth are voting in to fix Nigeria, then forget about a country called Nigeria. Plans to impeach Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State exposed. Fulani Atiku Abubakar said the South, the Sultanate will sell their soul for money. And I'm saying it. The Sultanate are really selling their soul for money. They will sell their kidney for money. They will sell their heart for money. They will sell their mother kidney for money. They will sell their father kidney for money. They will sell their destiny for money. They will sell their prosperity for money. The Sultanate will sell everything. They will sell their destiny for money, including Pastor David Oyedepo or Bishop David Oyedepo, including the pastors and some of the bad youths. They will sell their destiny for money. And the youth are not ready to learn. If Atiku Abubakar, Fulani father, Boko Haram father, and Mumu Buhari, yes, President Muhammadu Mumu Buhari, Akataka, America is too sweet. Freedom of speech, freedom. Look at this flag. I will die for this flag. Freedom, freedom of speech, freedom of expression. President Muhammadu Mumu Buhari, Boko Haram Fulani herdsmen father, the most disastrous president ever in the history of Nigeria. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, the damager who damaged Nigerian customs. Former Vice President to Crocodile father, the evil, the father of all demons. General Olusegun Obaworo Obasanjo, hey man that came to Nigeria and destroyed Nigeria since 1960. Gowon boys, Muritala Muhammad boys, and Obasanjo boys did not allow Nigeria to rest. From 1960, Gowon, Muritala, and Obasanjo boys have continued to dismantle and destroy Nigeria. Either in Kaki or in Agbada, they will never let the rest, 99% of Nigeria rest. It is time. There's no God in Nigeria. It is time for the youth to hold you people accountable for all you people atrocity. Abacha did it home. We thank God Almighty. The demon take Abacha life. Obasanjo refused to die. Obasanjo for all the prayer. Oyedipo, David Oyedipo, 10 million bishop. Oyedipo is speaking in tongue in between his mouth. He will use one tongue to say Boko Haram Fulani herdsmen. They are killing our people. Boko Haram Fulani They were to kill us. Say no to Fulani. Oyedepo will come back in the next few months and tell you, Atiku Abubakar Shaka Barababa, he is the one, Fulani, that will save Nigeria. Tell me where God is in Nigeria. Ain't no God in Nigeria. God have left Nigeria a long time ago. The sin Nigeria have committed is too much. It's too much. There is no God in Nigeria. To hell with Nigeria. Nigeria should rest in hell. If they refuse to vote among election into that office, Nigeria will rest in hell. I don't give a damn anymore. To hell with you people. Bad name. Anything called Nigeria is a bad name. Bad name. They are not good in governing. They are not good in healthcare. They are not good in infrastructure. They are not good in policing. They are not good in military. They are not good in anything. Tell me one thing Nigeria is good at. Nigeria become number 4. Number 4, the most worst country in the world. The most poorest country, number 1. Even Myanmar, Nigeria, they are better than Nigeria. Eh? They are better than Nigeria. Yet, all these Usumerige youth, pepper soup youth, beer youth, bottle youth, useless youth, lazy youth, they continue to parade. Tomorrow they will come out with one day and another and say, come and donate. Cancer patient one day. Now you kill him. Now you give him cancer. Why you say your vote? Why did you say your goddamn vote in 2016? Go and tell your 2,000 naira vote, 5,000 they gave you to come and there will be no collection of Osage. I'm telling you, forget about. I hear you say you want to do welcoming party. Just forget them. Anybody ask money for charity that is not legitimate, you don't get answer to mega comrade. I will not stand and watch you promote corruption. I will not tolerate it. I bust my ass every goddamn day. How can you sell your PVC today? Come 2019, you will sell your PVC for Atiku Abubakar. Then tomorrow you are using a wheelchair to wheel a woman or a widow who have no health care. That people should come and donate. Who dash monkey banana? Monkey the war bamboo the chop. Where was she when she was selling her food? Eh? Where was she? Try it. So I just go and arrange them. Put them in line. Put them in line. Except you just stop that thing. We will have peace. You will stop it. And I don't want to any you that support Buhari and Atiku. They will never raise money online. Because these people, you are collecting their money. They are enjoying the benefit of good government in Europe. If there is no good government in Europe or in America, they will not be getting benefit. They will not be getting benefit. You can see what is happening to Nigerians in Germany now. Most people that are married, not all of them, that are married to Igbo, who think that they can destroy Nigerian boys and go and marry Igbo. You see what Igbo are doing today in Germany now. They are giving them medication, told them to man, they collect the children. They will remove their heart and donate their kidney to German sickler. That is what is happening now. Then tomorrow, you see one youth like Osarodi Osage. Every time he travel, he be throwing welcoming party. He said he want to raise 1 million. He can work by 1 million. We are working $1 million. Where they go? Because we are to you now. We winner. Oh, how are we fair? He can't tell one, but I want to know. Yeah, water. And then I want to tell me. You, it is your own day. It is your own day. It is your own day. Many. Me, we wow, me. I was a oh, my way, we are here. My no make me a week. You hear what I did. We know like that. May we be Wayak be more. Bale Matanita. I'm ready. If you want to kill me, I'm ready. Who want to join me? Enter that grave. Make it come. Me, I'm ready. My life is settled. God forbid anything happen today. God, may God bless my children. My son can take care of his brothers and his sisters. If you want to buy 30-acre land for yourself, veteran, if you are a military, If you are a military officer and you are a Texas resident, there's what they call I forgot what they call it on Monday. Veteran Act, Land Act. You only pay 5%. 5% alone. 5%. Cheap rate. They will give you a land as a veteran or a military, active military. Their life is set. I fix my life. The rest people should worry about their own. If I don't even want to walk right now, I don't have to. I don't have to. My life is fixed. Look at me. As young as I am able to build my home. Build, that is an example. This is the same vision as saying Showore that he's bringing to Nigeria. Why will you take me? A man that come from the village. If a man that come from the village is one of the most smartest man in the whole Nigeria now. Can you imagine that? A man, a villager, mega comrade, a villager, he is now the most smartest, the most courageous, the most honest man in the world. Who speak the truth with no filter. Raw. The truth is very bitter. It's like a bitter cola. I will speak it without filter. Truth is, there's nothing like truth. Truth is like a dagger. Until I started speaking the truth about Sarajo Sage wife welfare. That is why you see there now. But I feel for them. They are not saying, mega comrade. I hear the way they are saying, let everywhere be peace. Of course, I want peace. But you people have to be honest. You people need to apologize to me for attacking me wrongly. No, we are TL20. No, we are push rat. The day I will with that boy, the day we will know that boy name, I know his face. He go know where he put his leg. Say the trap where he put his leg, he go hard him. First of all, he go lose his wife. We go do and saute, we juju, by everything. He go lose his wife before my came with me koi. Me to be more wawe. Even girl man, you many a wawe die. Eri a wawe. Ma wo sa ba na wawe baby me ibi ya me. So I was say, ona ibi e damu. Ere wo wima. Iwe se gbera $200 yo. Iwa we. Ya we example. Vele amumi inwinere. Eseti mami. Do we me we na ge no we gbese. Wewe imewa amedon. Iwa mudia. Eyiwi ugugun. Ma ohu ni no supo wewe na. Ma ge oni ge le kute ni no wa supo wewe. No wa we la diana no no de plak. Unu no ya sabe ya huegbe. Or was super when I'm me. All those are doing getting from bush goat. Where me me una hemi. Where I dare I show me. Where not the day me we quite at Yowoko. Yawoko, Magmapia, Mashoko. Where we go? Oh, hello, quiet quotable. Go and look at the two communities I come from. Go and look at it. Read the history of Urerigbe. Oh, Uzi Beni that liberated Edo people. I am the great grandson of Uti Beni. Uti Beni. Who protected Oba Ovarabe? Go and ask. Azagdi for my family. It's in my blood. It's in my blood. A tiger we born a tiger. Lion we born a lion. The tiger and the lion combine. Where make man be here? God forbid. I am a proud father with soldiers. Oh boys. Soldiers. You will even be thinking of for my son not to even set his own eye on you. You cannot even, you will be looking at my son like this. He will tell you, are you the one insulting my own daddy? You have a lot to answer to. Where is such on a note? Where is it? You may work. Who we are waffing. And set it a new way. Imagine a new way that Uzo Popo. Who won't have boy. Who will more of a fan of Wooler to be our boy. Or who didn't know what with Alagana or Swinime. In a new way, one man, my wife, power man, my new way, two no basket, world basket, one basket of bow, one basket of boy. Oh, boy, world boy, boy, away. If the kind of a fan of Wooler, Billy, no Wooler, Lubia. Containing a we as a Remond or Sawakina, no your Calimano will be. We all got blow. A spirit in here go home. We are not me now. We are Mariana. We are more iwe ave wulu yeze. Because of your basically only important in one bell wagon. Or can support where they go when I as a deacon where you we are not here. Tamai Konati, uge, as a PFN Apuno, if I bought your Kulu, walk bell mo bayo, Iwaki, Moado Yawa clear one la. And then I'm me picture away. And then I'm here, we are this pain to you, and when we are you, we are me Lugualo, when we are la, we boy at Aladdin. No sense. A Tony Kalaka, Biluwa, Wamago, inside my of belly, God bless you. Now, me wanted to caricature. I will dismantle you. Completely. With full force. I will dismantle you. Nonsense. You don't draw a battle you cannot finish. The only man you will trust in life is yourself. When you are going to a battle and you know you don't have a soldier that you trust, you carry enough weapon. You carry enough body hammer that will protect you alone. And you will know where to hit. You hit it hard. You know what I'm saying? That is the fact. When I was talking about Tony Kabaka, yes, you are saying the Tompito master. Now me, nobody else. I will Tompito you. I don't care whoever you are. If you are stronger than me, challenge me. Do a web based me with Damoye. I will strong pass Mokusia. If anything you want use, whether na HIV you want send come, me I go still send HIV come with you. Mokusia go first get on. I get them many. Anything you want to. Of my dear mommy water. When I yes I don't first marry mommy water. I beat her forever. I beat her way. They talk. Go ask TB Joshua. Nonsense. I don't need to go far person. I go just send her. I'll tell her I go let you more jump again. Well, why I done you? Finish it. Who was it? Oh, back on you about nonsense. What do you? My only know what I welcome party. Going home who nego online. A bush rat now wash you with your team, you know. Bush rat. No young nego online. Why are we party? Me pay no aye party unu ta. They party or you go no agbawe. You go na we ya to ta. I go mo go about be. Where winner? Obey we. Where you winner? When I was all about Zolifa, no way I now go ya. Where winner? Oh how we? Yet they go one and say. Who are going to be a ferry? Sergeants I give a good one. Eke Ambassador Jones I give. Who are you? How are you? Ferry? What are you? It told you now what praise. That being said, let me check if this video is here now. I asked John Coker to send it to me. Let me see if it is here. If he has not sent it, I trust him. God bless you. That is PFM. That is Comrade John Coker. Nonsense. Ofiane. All People Freedom Movement. The most transparent movement in the world. Nobody else. Nonsense. When we are talking about this miscreant, these people with their myopic mind, they don't see above their vision. I already prophesied that the youth must come. And so what I have come, he will be dishonest to me. It will be an insult to all the positivism. As a young man, I will go and choose 80, 70 years old man over Omoyele Sowore. Anybody that does that, they are enemy of God. Enemy. Watch. You people will surprise. You people are going to surprise. Atiku Abubakar is going to 70, 80 years. Muhammad Buhari is going to 80 years. Before election, I know whether they go sleep, they don't wake up. You people will cry. Let me see you now for Aso Villa. The only thing I want beg Sowore, allowed me make I take control of security and prison. Make I help them design the kind jail when they go put them. Make una come Aso Villa. It can't be tired. The time when I first talk and say, if I not support Sowore now, make una not carry proposal near Amo. If una carry, I trust people when they follow. I trust them. They know how to torpedo. They don't learn from Mega Comrade. They can torpedo your career. You go to cry like chicken. When you want to try the people that have suffered, don't you see your water protesting by himself with the major and the rest? Did you not see it? Then you want to go and reap the fruit of his labor. He will never allow you. He will never allow you. Family they there. Me that lost everything. Then this yeye woman say, now one Obaseki go kill her. Obaseki yet go kill you. That woman that make a video when they say, he say at the sort of Obaseki, Ogun Obaseki, Ogun Obaseki kugbe. If man wa via Libya, TV do ma wulo Libya da. Ebonu tie me also ngbe. If do wulo Libya. Bari go sigo no so gbegbe age amama. Uri ebo udoki ye lekute. Umama me ro pa nu ebo ewu, etapa wu gba. O pe alo ye ko iwe gemu koto. Una la dono nu we no gba ni wa do ya tebo me. Unwi bi edo ya fefe no wulo egbe ni be ogbo ohuna. Ogbo ohuna wi tebo no Obaseki. Uwo Obaseki o ga gbo wi ogbo ta. We are we poru gbe kan we are me. We are so amini me na tamba. We are go we we su gbe kan. We are me pan. We are me na mi hele mi pan. Era ne tegbe ado tu e. O tu o gbo popo wuri. Popo fi e. Ika poru no sugbo we. E ma poru no sugbo we we se we popo. Era ne tegbe fi popo wuri. O gbo popo. Wa gbe mo gbe igo. Wa mi e ma gbon. O we ni ye le kute. Ugbago e. No say dey ye social media wo kan we. We no man you we man e we meet me we social media. We man hit me re wa no gbe no gbegbe agara. We man. Wo pa gbe no man na egbu. Nonsense. Obewe ayobo gwaligo Obaseki no my muted bay o yo de won mama worry na bo way my way read that part of my ro pa ohori that's in the morning look for information wa gbe mo gbe go won Obaseki gbo so kuma ha iwe do ma wuye gbese ya ma wuye maintenance ya ma wuye maintenance boya fefe no ya te wona wa so gbe mo pa wa mo ya wuye si Mediterranean si we do we see wana we hell who was a popo we do ya no wulo no why wow oh why wow rubbish people all repentant human traffickers members of God's Foundation all repentant human traffickers members of God's Foundation now turn to Satan's Foundation. Just like he's an opportunist, his wife is in a what they call it, welfare house in Canada. He himself is running from one place to another, eating people food. Osho free, osage, osho free, everything. Na favor. Pandemic na favor. Bring euro na favor. Where we favor no where me o how funny. Where came your fan? Where we you don't know how to file paper. For you to bring your wife come from Nigeria, not be paper that they file. You don't feel right. You don't go secondary school. At least you manage, even though you don't say class. You don't go file paper. Where file you know who where? Adoro wife. Why we don't what be man? Omo ya kamu wa iye mekele na kwa logo wa me kila gbo yoboyi imi awa ye gbe nu wa gbe o wa kan gbe wo pa to wa e tala wo pa egere ma ya re we me ai ka wa se pere o ko pa no wa ti me be na wa ke lo wa ya ti me kwa fo ni na wa se ya e ya won let me show you people what Tony Kabaka did. Abi iye Lekute Foundation, God Sent Foundation iye Lekute. Can you imagine? You want to do party, welcoming party. Hell, every go Marco. Then oh ya no bigo. Where we are setting for see that quota. You go feel consider quota outside just again. You even get power to even root to that quota. You go talk about boy. Where Shabba by there? Privileged child, prodigal son, ruffian. Nonsense. Where you know around or so you want. I'm coming. Let me quickly show this to people and see what is happening in Edo State. Can you imagine? Tell me how Edo State will be better. Tell me.
If you are the landlord of that house,
wait. Unwevere, don't come again.
Your house. The landlord should be in trouble.
But I guess wait first now.
If you don't have the rent yourself.
Wait. Not say you answer that. I guess somebody will be saying we see that day.
Wait. I think he caught it. Let me see. This is the first one. Let me show you people what Tony Kabaka is up to. They invite him to RTV There's killing in Edo State right now. They are killing left and right. The most painful thing is that the people that is killing themselves are the innocent poor citizens. Most of them are still supporting Atiku Abubakar. Here is what Tony Kabaka said.
Courtesy. No matter me, I say everyday lives.
No, wait, I don't want to use this phone.
2 door for this side, 3 door for this side.
I don't want to use this phone. Let me use the other phone. Please, brothers and sisters, bear with me. Let me use this phone to show you people. This Tony Kabaka, Ojoba Yewo, this criminal. Can you imagine? Tony Kabaka will go and let me just give me time. Let me show you people. Yeah, one now. Yeah, one now. When we will be the only now. Yeah, one now. That woman, Mona, not forget, Mona send me a detail. At 40, I think 4 minutes. Wait.
Stop us not to ban courtesy.
Okay, wait.
He said that bring out neighborhood world and engage those people.
Okay, I want people to listen to Tony.
To make sure, say, yes, we know the matter. We get people there. We say, go call Sazua. Welcome to our program.
Good morning.
Okay, listen.
I'm going to add the program. Okay, we go call our brother. Go talk to us for phone. David, the David Lukoga, he go join us for phone. So we'll talk for the matter because
first of all, now insecurity. Insecurity lapses. We see involve our people, our own brothers. We throw down, mean that they kill our brothers. You know understand? And secondly, why use that English insecurity? Really, on a good day, you know, Obaewa Okidigan said they should bring out neighborhood watch. You see, all those CDA when they drive enter, now community that they stay. He said they bring out neighborhood watch, they engage those people as neighborhood watch for their own domain. Nobody, any community.
For their own domain. Away. Man. From their own domain. Bring out neighborhood watch. Before CDA, when the Bermuda was a governor, was it CDA? No, you're talking where? Was it CDA? There was no CDA. Eh? When Ali was a governor, did you see any CDA?
Chairman, we crisis happen for a community or the keep us.
When I just listen to her.
You should come on account of what happened.
So what's the question?
If there was a question. But this one, everybody, what they do, you know, no security. Police cannot get information. Police cannot be here in your bedroom and also be in their office.
Okay.
I don't know if you
understand. Tony Kabaka is confused. He's looking for one way or the other to survive Obaseki's track. Watch.
Police need information to work. Without all this neighborhood, whatever.
Okay, black say because the boys, they know they engaged.
They're not there engaged.
They don't say they do.
And not only that, the major problem, if we want to eradicate courtesan killing in those states, first of all, the Inspector General of Police need to start with police. If I'm telling you, you won't take it.
What if police get to this side? They have to fight time and be like,
nowhere courtesy is not there.
Okay.
And they tell you, you know, we will open up.
Okay, Nigerian police, you heard now. Tony Kabaka said you people are courteous. Breaking news. This should be the headline. Nigerian police are courteous, said by Tony Kabaka. He said Nigerian police are courteous. Tony Kabaka said it. Because you people have been collecting money from Tony Kabaka and he's been killing people. You refuse to arrest him because he's your court member. Now Tony Kabaka have called you people out. Nigerian police, Ibrahim Idris is a courteous. Tony Kabaka said you are a courteous. That is number one. Wait, we're going to answer a question. Wait. What make you go up and make you come down?
Tell the truth. Nobody, they feel saying on one kind of thing.
Nowhere court is not there. Now you talk.
Yeah, nowhere, no
Is for police?
Yeah, now police in many parts now. Police.
Listen.
If the inspector...
Listen. Tony Kabaka, he said courts are much more in Nigerian police than on the street. Listen, hear from the horse's mouth.
Yeah, no way, no way, but
for police.
Yeah, now police in many parts now, different color of the police. If the Inspector General say, really we want to work, or the CP say, yes, we want to work as sanitizers.
Inspector General, are you listening? He said there's different color of courtesan in your police force. That is why there is killing in all over Nigeria. Yes. Yes. Because the same people they Tony recruit are now joining police. Let me tell you, you will go to Nigeria, you want to make an arrest. I went to Nigeria, my land between bypass. One man, Charles, tried to sell it. I was going to arrest all of them. I went to their community as we were going. One of the sales that were going with me, they used text message. Text the guy, say, Officer Adegbe don't come from America. They come. We reach there, we not see anybody catch. Later, we can't nab the guy, the sergeant. We can't nab him. Now he said, because he said now they are gone, now they are caught member. That is true. You cannot arrest anybody. Evil police are the one that we wait. Let Tony Kabaka confess. Let me allow him to confess. Just like he confessed about Obaseki. Confess your don't enter your body. It's allow it.
Those things. You go start from the command.
Oh my God! Once we start from the police, if you identify two go identify three.
Bam.
Like that, we know them. Then we use the six sets of.
Okay, why can't people identify Tony Kabaka and let Tony Kabaka identify other? Why can't police use the same system on Tony Kabaka? Huh? Why can't they do it?
At the courtesy catapult, so that anything will be happen, they'll account of it. I don't know if you understand. And we, the youth of those states, we took food our hands.
Okay.
First, you don't die, human being.
And
I will also, maybe not me, I don't throw man because you know if I did this studio.
Wait, Tony, you say person you just die. What happened to Big Joe? What happened to Big Joe? Tony Kabaka. How many people have you killed? Of course, you said that those youth are lazy, and you are one of them. You are lazy. You have no job. You don't have a job.
The one they talk,
they go talk at the way they say
the way it be. Our government need to help issue. How are they going to help issue? If we can ban revenue collector and ban CDA because of our atrocity, I don't know if you understand. What stop us not to ban courtesy that is killing our people, human being that is taking people's life?
Okay, no worry, I'll come to you again.
All beside that, they should pass a bill on this killing. It's too much.
Okay.
I've cried before, I've come out.
How can somebody that is killing be crying? Don't you see that Nigeria will never settle? Tony Kabaka, the gang member, the one that is killing people, are telling you to ban them so that he already have his group, terrorist, vampire, so that he can be oppressing others. Una call people una. So why not they even they join the court self? Tony Kabaka they inside, they tell me they arrest una, make them ban una. So which kind of thing did this?
People will say maybe one thing. I don't know. You know, in Nigeria, most especially people out there in social media, they are not at home. They are the ones fighting police at home.
Okay, no, we go come to that matter.
Okay.
No, make a.
You hear that when he said those people talking on social media, they are not at home, but they are the one fighting police. Why didn't you join me to fight that police, Tony Kabaka? Then when I was fighting police, I was not at home. Now you want to say police? There are more courtesies in police. Was Commissioner Gwandu not your gang member? Was he not in court? Commissioner Gwandu, Tony Kabaka. Echo, Edo State, the heartbeat of Nigeria. Let's move forward.
Wait till stop government fight go dey. So that tax also they talk a day. Then that crazy up a day. Then when we talk say court members they everywhere. Not true.
Okay, may I come back to you, Tony? You talk, you first place when you say, you first point now, you say even for police.
Confession time.
Yeah. And it will be like say police are supposed to help us, they fight this thing.
Yeah.
It will be like person when you lost something now.
Yeah.
You come now say, you
know
somebody the person when you say thief the thief. How the person go fit take care? That's the question.
My brother, to start it, if really say we no one killing for our state, wetin stop government to pass law against Curtis? And they ask people wey dey take person life, they no.
Tony Kabaka is questioning Governor Obaseki. What stop you from passing a law against Curtis? People that take somebody's life. Anthony, tell me how Nigeria will be better.
Pass law because money is not.
Because in my political talk just now say if they catch Curtis now, which charge they won't give her?
My brother, if person wey shoot listen, it's wrong.
Okay.
Which one they go give her? Yes. You wait make attend the one who keep person. The person don die. First of all, it's attempted murder. The second, the person die is murderer. I don't know if you understand. Okay, now.
So by application, if you
attempted murder, the person die now murderer.
For court group, because there's nothing wrong if you do for court group. That's what they talk now.
Listen, a court group.
What you can't do? That's the problem.
You feel the court, but you feel the police. Like IG Inspector General give up police gun and uniform. It not mean say anyone will go thief or will go use the uniform commit say na IG center. I don't know if you understand. Okay. So even though you are a courtist, you be involved in atrocity, you are good to go. And you must be a courtist that need progress for your states. All the police wey dey talk, some are not from here, some will go to town.
Well, then they say most of the courtists that they don't do well. So why we go encourage courtism?
My brother, we don't need to encourage courtism. Okay. Courtism need to be banned and banned totally. I don't know if you understand.
I agree. Courtism need to be banned. How can we start from Tony Kabaka? Is it not the same Tony Kabaka that said, "Hey, Ranamigo, when you come, you face the panel"? Who are the panel?
Say anywhere you are three or four is gathered discussing about cutting issue. Even in the hotel, the owner of the hotel did not say it, and the information I get to police. They should see that place off. I don't know if you understand. Because we are the cause of our problem. We will be crying and we know the solution. Yes. If we start with security agency will tackle outside. And if there is
they bring the grammar come down.
Sorry, my brother. If you know say
if you don't defend
not be fair, because my brother, I understand. If the killing is too much. Okay. If it warrant me to say, let's take government out of this, since they don't want to show their responsibility, then we now say, okay, let's work with the security agency. Security agency, as police and even said, have a right to set up a civilian body. Yes. That will be watching for them. That will be holding people.
Tony Kabaka is recommending to the Nigerian government for the police to set up a civilian body that will be recommending courtesy people to police. Tony Kabaka is recommending Nigeria police to set up a civilian body that will identify. Listen,
to ransom and hand over to police.
Hold on.
Have a right to set up a civilian body. Yes. That will be watching for them. That will be holding people to ransom and hand over to police. We need a serious committee that will tackle this thing. My brother, you will see this thing will be a thing of the past. Okay. Nothing will not be a thing of the past.
Okay. Okay, make we look this other one. He don't think and I say, even in the society when we say within, let's say almost every.
Okay.
They don't get harm.
Even in politics,
almost everybody don't get harm for this kind of thing for a whole state and the killings.
you, my brother. If you reach area, if you reach all those where Hausa people dey.
Hausa dey.
Hausa na many pass now.
Okay.
Where did they change dollars?
Shoemakers. Many pass now.
Shoemakers.
In different color. And the people where they do the most killing, they are not from this state. And we fold our house, our brothers are dying.
And our brothers they die here.
Can you imagine?
Our brothers say, wait on top. Now the leader. See, when we talk, say somebody here. The way they go to talk to other night, talk to make with due respect to this group, Buccaneers. Buccaneers 2004. They're not the fight again. They're still this time. They're not the fight. We got another one warlord. They're not the fight. Mafia, they're not the fight.
Now blackers and
Confession time. Listen, Mona, listen. Confession time. Confession time. Listen. Una de ye na Tony Kabaka talk amo. Make una de ye. Una de ye na. Now when de Milan.
They talk to other night, talk to make with due respect to this group, Buccaneers. Buccaneers 2004. They're not the fight again. They're still this time. They're not the fight. We got another one warlord. They're not the fight. Mafia, they're not the fight.
Now blackers and
nobody said here, they say here.
And Tony Kabaka is a black hat member. Tony Kabaka. Can you imagine that? Obaseki is a Curtis.
We campaign this, my brother. Every people know what do this. The what they have,
brother.
Every 2 months, every 3 months.
Waiting we go talk. All those they are number 1, number 2, where they see. Maybe they not fear for Benin again. Maybe they not even hear now.
If they hear now, say see the group where they come down now.
So the number 1, number 2, Tony Kabaka is coming for you. Now Tony has passed judgment. He said they don't even want to hear una again. Number 1 and number 2. So let me not say it. Let Tony say it with his mouth. Hear from the horse's mouth. If you are in Benin and you belong to this group, just pack your bag and bag it. Tony Kabaka has declared war on you people. He said, you know, because
blackers and
nobody said here, they say here. Nobody said campaign this, my brother. Every people know what do this. The what they have,
brother.
Every 2 months, every 3 months.
Waiting me go talk. All those they are number 1, number 2, where they see. Maybe they not fear for Benin again. Maybe they not even hear now.
Well, if they hear now, say see the group where they come down now.
Yeah.
If they, I would say that kind of group, they don't call them to order.
They don't call.
Police don't try.
Here we go again. This is Tony. Tony Rat. Tony left. The same way he wanted to come play AAC. Operation block all these nuisance. All these Osage people. Block their ass in Yelekutes. Or all repentant human traffickers. Nonsense. Now my platform I want to do all this now thing.
As far as I'm concerned, police try.
You say police don't try, but if it doesn't say police guys.
No, everybody cannot be a cultist.
Not everybody.
I don't know if you understand.
Not everybody.
Why? Because police number 1 make their name come to more. Police they arrest. Then they try. But what do we need now? First of all, the Inspector General, the IG, the AIG, and the CP need to start from their room. If we start with police.
CP, you are hearing now. The Commissioner of Police in Edo State, Tony Kabaka, said you should start courtesy fighting from your room. Tony Kabaka, he said the police have to start from their room. Of course. I agree with Amo. Mega Cobra is a honest man. Very, very honest.
We will not tolerate any nonsense outside.
As far as they don't get hard inside.
Yes.
As far as they don't clean the police.
I don't know if you understand. Secondly, the state government need to not fall down. This is involving human life.
Okay.
Even though money is not involved.
Okay.
This is killing. we need to pass a bill on courtesy.
Okay.
Anywhere. Well,
I agree. Do you ever think me and Tony Kabaka, we can agree on one thing? Me, that is to tell you, Mega Comrade is. I am a man with dignity, integrity, and above all, the wisdom of able to understand when somebody is speaking the truth. Let me play this again. I really enjoy this one. Confession time. I said an amigo. Well, I become redeemed. If Tony can be redeemed, there's no problem. But when you become irredeemable, that is when you have problem.
they arrest, let they try. But what we need now, first of all, the Inspector General and the IG, the AIG and the CP need to start from their own. If we start with police,
CP,
the police will not tolerate any nonsense outside.
As far as they don't get hard inside.
Yes.
As far as they don't clean the police.
I don't know if you understand. And secondly, the state government need to not fall down. This is involving human life.
Okay.
Even though money is not involved.
Okay.
This is killing.
Confession.
We need to pass a bill on courtesy. Anywhere. Whether you the people or Accra is the crawl, now Frame is the frame.
Okay.
My brother. Now, you get what I told him. Listen, my brother, we need to arrest them. Even you civilian, you see her, you go call police. If you see something, say something.
Okay. Bam. Listen to Tony. If you see something, you say something. But when I see something, I say something about Kato Honsa Okumba and Governor Obaseki. What did Tony do? What did Tony do? Eranomio. When you come to Nigeria, this is Tony Kabaka. I will eat you like a vampire. That is what he said. Let's go ahead. Monday we will analyze it completely. You will see the full episode.
I don't know if you understand. That is the only way we can help our society. Secondly, the state government need to not fall down. This is involving human life. Even though money is not involved. Okay. This is killing. We need to pass a bill on courtesy. Anywhere. Whether you the people or Accra is the crawl, now Frame is the frame. Okay. My brother. Now, you get what I told him. Listen, my brother, we need to arrest them. Even you civilian, you see her, you go call police. If you see something, say something. I don't know if you understand.
Okay.
I don't know if you understand.
Tony Kabaka, I know you are watching. You are on YouTube. You said if they see something, they should say something. What about people come out tomorrow and say, Tony Kabaka, this is the number of people you have killed? What are you going to say? That is the question. You are encouraging them now to, if you say something. So I am calling on Tony Kabaka people. If you know anything about Tony Kabaka, release it in audio. Don't lie against him. Do not say what is not true. Say what you know Tony Kabaka have done. Put it in audio and send it out. Tony Kabaka have declared when you see something, you say something. That is my advice. Don't lie against him. Be honest and be truthful. Whatever you want to say. You say about Osaudion Osagena. Anything I've said about him is true. Osaudion Osage, Omela, Obofibi, his wife is in Canada in a welfare house, Adoro house. They say now me am for Bini, but he never fit me or Haifan. His own wife, who is preaching. Wait, we are coming to that. I will say that because I see that his people are insulting me here. So they are the people bringing problem to us. But I will not insult him.
That is the only way we can help our society now. This is the only way. And if we all don't join hands like that, you go see him, you know go hear him again.
Okay, but you know what I want to play now? The funding of this group.
Okay.
Not the other thing.
You know what? We will analyze this on Monday. We will analyze it on Monday because I want to quickly say something. This matter of courtesy It's not a joking matter. Tony Kabaka have confessed, and they have given people, a law enforcement agency, how to get them. If you catch number 1 and number 2, there's a place Tony Kabaka said these people don't get power. Say once police arrest them, they go wrong. You know what? Let me go ahead and play it. Let me play it. I don't mind spending 2 hours here today. I want you all to share this video. Let me just go ahead and play it and analyze and I do the. Just go ahead. You will hear it from the horse's mouth. Tony. Ranomigo Bonuti or say and when answer Tony Wakana.
And I talk to see when they see some people for social media, see these people and they fund this thing. Without see here now see during time of politics, Richard will come and they fund them.
Politicians they fund them.
Even Curtis, where would they talk about so? When will they grow come? When waiting will notice about Curtis. If they are afraid they do birthday, they go organize, they go they dance, they jubilate, guests go there around them. Then now they don't turn out to Tupac and Biggie and DMS.
Okay,
who turn out to Tupac and Biggie, Tony Kabaka? Not be you. Not be you. Tony Kabaka. Not be you.
Yes. So if you see all these people where they do all these things, so some are small boys. I don't know if you understand. People will call themselves the elders who don't do. They cannot go for killing. It's the small one that is going for killing.
Okay.
They can stop it.
You heard that Tony Kabaka said, "Is the small boys in countries are the one killing people." You hear that?
In any area, they have got any city or even two gather discussing country. If you are the landlord of that house, you did point out and they came and to find that person in your house. The landlord should be in trouble.
But I guess wait first now.
If you don't have the land of stop.
Wait. That's what you want to do. I guess somebody will be saying we see the other day. Come give us complaint here. You say police arrested the kid for.
Wait.
My brother.
No. We don't hear that one.
So let me come back and talk and say no. For this thing to work, first of all, make committee. This committee, what thing we directly talk straight. State government.
Committee. Why you Scottish people they do committee?
Rise up. Youth, they
wait.
They will deal with the person. Wait anything. Some are innocent. They kill innocent people. Some you teach everybody where they die. So now, not be all of them be caught.
Okay, now we'll go back. You call all received just now.
You know what? Let us do this next week. I want to be honest with you all. Let us do this one next week. I want to quickly play something for you. For those that don't understand something. Let me quickly play this for you. And I want to show people this. 1 second. Just 1 second. When people, let me tell you, when today is Friday, I know nobody's going to work tomorrow. Everyone is going to. I want to appeal to the good citizen of Edo State. This courtesan issue is enough. You people have disrespected the cause, but remember that cause. He will come. When he comes, the same Osaodons again after the cause of Oba don't enter their body. I want to warn people. All these courtists that are disobeying the cause Oba lay on courtesan. Let me tell you, the time the sickness will come, Osage will carry them come on social media. And you will make mistakes, send your money without knowing the cause of that sickness. You will still send your money. Remember the cause when Oba lay, it will still enter your body. So therefore, bringing people to extort money online. Remember, as these people have violated the cause of Oba, don't say I didn't tell you. Maybe you are my member or not. Don't say I did not. What is today's date? 19. Today's date is Friday, October 19, 2018. Do not say I did not warn you. When all this sickness, this cause that Oba lay, if you start affecting them, again, Satan Sent Foundation, former God Sent Foundation, will now come out. It will bring them out. Donate, 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 donate. And you now, you will continue. You will donate. That cause, it will come enter your body. That is why I am telling you people to be careful. To be careful what you are going to do. So, you can see, he said, Chief Ambassador Euro, thank you. What concern you with thank you? You want to go collect money, see? Thank you. Anything when anybody do, because our Oba go thank you. Thank you, Tor. Also, I don't say get copy and paste. Copy and paste. You come and say thank you. Look at the people that help him insult me. I am disappointed. I don't think this is Arameya OFA. So people have been telling me this, but I didn't believe it until they send it. Look at them. These are all of them who insulted me. Look at them. When Osadon Sage was thanking them all. Wait, let me show you people. You see it? This picture, I will hold it forever. I will hold the picture forever. I hold the way over here. So I am going to hold that picture forever. This is where it's broadcasting from an Adoro house in Canada. Look at it, fridge, kitchen. These are the people that were insulting me that I'm broadcasting from one room. Look at it. In Canada, welfare house in Canada. Okay, that is not enough. Let me quickly show you this, because I'm just going to give him time to take his wife. After today, I will leave everything. I will just watch, even though he's owing me money, I will keep that one until a rainy day. This is, we are going to send a message to Winifred Osadon Sage. Get your passport, get your bag and baggage, and leave Canada. Go to Nigeria. Tell your husband to fight for you. To fight for you. Because this your Adoro, Bushrat, and all these women have killed it. Bush goat have killed it. He already destroyed it. Because you know, person that is living in a glass house will not throw a stone to other person's house that have rock. You see, I stand getting back. I stand getting back. You see, get it back. I heard a lie. He said they chased me out of TDCJ. Do you know the meaning of TDCJ? It's a Texas Department of Criminal Justice. For me to work in there, I salute all Nigerians that are working, who working with Texas Department of Criminal Justice. You cannot work there if you are not smart. You cannot work there if your record is not clean. For him to blackmail me and said, I have never been fired, never fired in Texas Criminal Justice. Never. Never. I can go back and fill application against that all over again if I want. So I am happy according to, because when all the lies that he lied on me, how is he going to clean it? Bush Good Foundation member. How is he going to clean it? So Sage is, look at his wife. He said, she's a fraud. Look at her husband, bring her out again. One thing I will tell you, you stay away from media, from social media. Before you and your husband get back together, I pray for it. And I tell you, don't come back to media. You know, money that does not belong to you people is very sweet to eat. Winifred and Osadon Sage, they come up with another pattern. She will record the video, he will send it to her husband. Me, I don't lie. Watch. I know they like this person. Watch. Watch. Mona, listen. Watch. Come on now. Talk. Video number one. Talk now. Wait. Wait. See. What's one? Already. Oh, one.
Let me watch it.
People, a very blessed day to you all. I'm so excited to be reaching you all once again after
Refugee.
a long time. It's been a couple months.
A couple of months?
Before we proceed, I just really want to take this time to appreciate every one of you
Waiting.
And not continue to condone that treatment from he or she. At some point, they will
brainwasher.
with you because someone cannot continue hurting you as the belief of African society.
You see, he took the brata. They took the brata, make it for them. She don't be. She's even lighter than Canadian people. You see, I don't put her to work again. She's back on scammy work. Thank God she's in Canada. Easy, easy. Very, very easy. These are the evidence we will take to the Adoro house. Wait.
A woman, of course, in your mind. Jesus, all I have is yours.
Jesus. How can you be Jesus when your father was a club owner? Your father was selling liquor. Your father is a club owner. Your father hotel become a bagway. Also free central. How can you become a... This is how this guy is deceiving people. So, but I'm not going to... I've told you, stay away from social media. Tell your husband to stop collecting money. Extorting money. This 4120 era is over. We will not tolerate it. Anybody, because these are the consequences of these youth. You are not talking to them. They will go and collect 5,000 for PVC. At the end of the day, they are sick. They will be coming online, be creating a fraudulent foundation. The people will be donating money for them. Now you are telling them to vote for Congress. They don't want to listen. Can you imagine? So I will not play the video. I will not analyze it until the rainy day. So I want to respect my daughter who called me, and that's it. So everybody mind their business. If you don't mind your business, I will make sure, you know me, everybody, you know me. I'm a counter puncher. I will counterpunch you triple time. I am a counter puncher. Mind your goddamn business. Mind your goddamn business. How many times I said it? Mind your damn business. Let every goddamn scammers stay in their lane. Stay in your lane. Mind your business. Then I will mind my business. Do not promote corruption. Do not promote oppression. If you can avoid it, there will be no problem. I hope today Osadio Zage will sleep good. And his wife, his mother will be sleeping, because I have a lot of information about their family that I was just, it's a ticky bomb. I will be throwing it one by one. I know everything that happened in the family. How her mother, how Osadio get here first, how Osadio's father did not want her to bring her mother. I have everything. Everything. I don't lie. I speak the truth. So, I am warning everyone. I will be monitoring social media. My people will be monitoring it. Watch your comment. Don't bring your Umela into trouble. Anything you write, Osadio Zage will be responsible for it, because I have never one day tell my people, oh, go there and do Osadio. No, Osadio have told his people, activate there. So, that being said, let us go to the campaign mode now. So, let's go to campaign mode. What I was going to do on Monday and the rest is hereby suspended. Suspend, not suspended. Suspended is past tense. So, sometimes we use English in the wrong way. So, now we are going to talk about this election in about a few minutes. The election that is about to happen. That is what we are going to talk about.
That is DOA, dead on arrival. You know, we are kicking all of them out, you know, sweeping them into retirement.
We don't get too suffer, we don't go free again. But the only power, they don't go rule again. But them Nigeria, they don't come again. Better slavery motion, we don't go fall again. I bet again, thank God, shower, good result, shower, again what we got, shower, Sahara report, shower. Mama Africa, no food to eat again. Papa Nigeria, your kids are running away. Wale Adenuga, the story be waiting for Captain Doku.
Hey, let's do it. God bless you, Sowore. God bless you. You know, everyone knows that I love Sowore so much. Breaking news, celebration time. You know, the tiger and the lion. Akataka, one of the universe. Let me tell you something. I am a counter puncher. When campaign go start, all these APC boys, PDP boys, they go here and hard. They go here and the luck when they get say, I will not go quick on Nigeria. By January, I'm on ground. January, I did ground. They campaign for Sowore. I did ground Abuja. We go campaign. We go enter dengue politics. That time, maybe they go just do one small thing back. When go just sing there. That time, you will see FBI go full everywhere. That time, there not be Nigeria election that they talk about. You see how Saudi Arabia don't enter one chance now. Only U.S. citizen. No, U.S. green card holder. You see as media, they draw Saudi Arabia. They draw as rich as Saudi Arabia. The king, the king is the president. You see, they don't enter one chance. Not to talk of Nigeria. Now only resident permit. Now, the king so only resident permit. That the FBI is about to intervene. A resident, you cannot touch a resident holder of United States. Not to talk of hold on, let me tell you my resume. I'm so blessed. This is my resume. Mega comrade, officer, investigator, Clement Iranomigo Edegbe. The president of the innocent poor citizen, commander-in-chief of the defenseless and the voiceless, the tiger and the lion combined, the king of the poor, a father of a United States military officer. You fix your chin. So I am so proud. And another one, in a few years now, he will become the United States Air Force doctor. The other one is an aeronautic engineer. You see the mother of all. You see that big bomb, that jet that is going, that bomber, you can see escort. They will be escorting it. You see, engineer. If I don't want, let's say I don't want to work again. My son can feed me, my children can feed me for the rest of my life. Let's say you get out of the military now. That's it. Within 4 years, they make $1 million. Say, Daddy, this is yours. Then make you and your wife start on our own. I'll carry that $1 million, convert it into naira. You see that? So that is my resume. This guy is not even a green, it's a green card holder. He's not even nobody know. You see, as America, Saudi Arabia don't enter one chance. Not to talk of active uniform officer. Kataka. Katako. What is that? What I mean? What I thought I would lie about it. What have I? She will lie about it. Let me announce this. Breaking news, everyone. I hereby, by the power invested in me, as one of the mega of everything, I am here to announce to every man and woman in the whole world to share this video. London night with Omoyele Sowore fundraising dinner night of entertainment. I repeat, London night with Omoyele Sowore fundraising dinner night of entertainment. There is going to be lafu, jaga, entertainment in London. Which date this story won't happen? No other day than November 10th. The former date that was given to Mega Comrade, London have been having that day for 3 months. If you are in London, you want to belong, you have to participate. Do not be Osho-free. Carry your credit card. Carry your bank card. Go there as you want. Go carry your girlfriend. If you want laugh, laugh there. Comedian, the food there. If you want dance, you go see them. Now flavor, now banana you don't want to, you go see them. You see what now they do for London people now? They're not going to thank me. Wait. Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, please find below the detail of the UK movement fundraising dinner night of entertainment. London night with Showore venue. Porchester Hall. Porchester Hall. Road. London. The zip code is W2 5HS. I'm going to post it online on Monday. You're going to see everything. Date November 10th. Saturday, November 10th, 2018. Starting time will be 5 p.m. till midnight. You see London. Dallas will be till dawn. Till dawn. That will be that will be December 7th in D-Town, Dallas. Till dawn. So that is how it's going to be. MC, comedian, they are all there. Everything you want, you're going to see them. There's a link there. You want to, account is there. You want to donate, you want to buy your ticket before you get there. That would be good. Even they have 2,000 seats. Wow. You want £100, you can get it. £200, you can get it. So I'm encouraging you to go and wait on November 10th. Showore is going to be on London. London line night with Omoyele Showore fundraising dinner night of entertainment. We know them. The guy that is organizing it, the protocol is a good guy. So I'm just doing it. Maybe when my time comes, me, I can promote my own. So may God Almighty bless every TIB member across the whole world. Serena, my lovely daughter, God bless you. I love you so much. I love you so much. Yusuf, I see you. I love you so much. One thing I want to make one thing clear. Members of PFM, they don't have a fake account. It's only when you want to. We don't hide it. Even when we create an account, we let you know we own it. Yusuf is not a fake account. That is my own son. He lives in France. So that is it. There's no fake account in Yusuf. We not carry fake account. If we use account, you will not say now we use them. We not be like any. So as I want let them rest, made them they sleep. Made them sleep. Me already. The thing going to make my blood. They make. So that is it. So by next week, tomorrow I am not going to be online. Next tomorrow I'm not going to be online. I will be headed to Air Force Base to go and visit my lovely son. Yeah, I'll be headed to United States Air Force Base. God bless America. May you live long, Donald J. Trump. May American people live long. God bless America. May God bless all the members of People Freedom Movement worldwide, the good ones. And may the Lord Almighty, God bless you, Serena. We are not a coward. You know that, yes. We are not a cowards. When you call us, we will answer. Only one man show. Look at it. This flag is the flag of liberty. Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. I love you all. Showtime, baby, in London. Good night, everyone. God bless you. Mega Combi, love you. Vote Omoyele Showore.
We are kicking all of them out. Sweeping them into the car.
My uniform is paid. You gotta pay for it.
But the only power they don't go rule again. But them Nigeria, they don't come again. Better slavery motion, we don't go fall again. I bet again, we do good results. Again, what we got, Sahara report, nobody easy, nobody easy, get your BBC for better Nigeria. Mama Africa, no food to eat again. Papa Nigeria, your kids are running away. Wale Adenuga, the story super. Human resources for everybody. Take it back. Take it back.
social media you know what? Set of my woman. Today, from today, I will not insult individual except they call me out. But the political leader, God just spoke to me. I will insult them. Immediately I call the name of Oba, something just enter my head. So Mega Comrade will no longer insult individual, except I am defending myself. So I want to you too much. The power of truth. Or humanity. Truth is very powerful. Truth. Come on. Akataka. Now today's date is 19. Mega Comrade have officially declared no more insult to individual, except Mega Comrade is defending himself and his people and my families, PFM families. So social media will have peace now. Is everybody happy? Can we have a little bit of party? Give me one tea there. Let me take tea. Let us have a little bit of party. What music am I going to play now? Let me play one good music. Let me play one good music, you know. So let's have a little bit of good party now. See, everybody's happy. Mega Comrade. Turn it up, baby.
The prophesy that every good thing is coming my way right now. Okay, so pay my dues.
I'm going to talk about it.
I'm a mere song and you wow. Go to no be talk, be get down. Go to no talk, I'm a mere song and you wow. Okay. I'm a colleague, I'm a colleague, go to no who God bless nobody can call. God bless nobody can come. I'm a mere song and you wow. I'm a mere song and you wow. Go to no be wait up, be wake and go to no your matama. I'm a mere song and you wow. Go Sunday Mubalaka, you
Cassava T.O.T.O. wanted. Cassava T.O.T.O. Baby, oh, man, what you say, Yetima? Echo me, what you say, Yetima? Don't win a name, all right. In weather, you may not go, none of your carry. None of your carry, Paka. Say, Yetima. Say, Yetima. Say, Yetima. No me va well no my seri jasho you drop a chop, no be my fault. You touch I talk, no be my fault. You have my hammer, no be my fault. I'm a mere son of you. Good night, everyone. Good night. I love you. Cassava T.O.T.O. Mega Comrade declared Cassava T.O.T.O. wanted. We need to unmask that Cassava T.O.T.O. How can you say you want to give me a baby? Then you went ahead and start cheating on me. Cassava T.O.T.O. We want that Cassava T.O.T.O. If you are a man or you are a woman, we need to unmask that guy. Cassava T.O.T.O. That would be the next episode. Cassava T.O.T.O. is wanted by Mega Comrade. You know, God bless you. You can't answer my question. Me, man. What is that? What is your question? Hurry up. Hurry up. What is your question? What is your question? Hurry up. Cassava T.O.T.O. cassava Tio is been disappearing for 2 days. Is Serena? Is cassava Tio here? Huh? Cassava Tio where? Listen, cassava T-O-T-O. Mona pronounce that. Who did that? Buhari does suffer. Like during Buhari time, because they see cassava T-O-T-O. Article they come. Cassava T-O-T-O come out. Where Mona show me that? Where the cassava T-O-T-O? God bless YouTube. I love you all. Oh my God, you did good. 500 plus today. Facebook was 300. God bless you. 800 at this midnight. I love you. God bless you. God bless you. Please. Where is was cassava Toto here? Where cassava T-O-T-O. God bless you.